Mark James Magno. Good afternoon, Sir Fizz. Ano po mas maganda piliin when it comes to sales load? Front end or back end? Thank you po. This is pagdating sa pag-invest sa mutual fund. Ako, back end. Pero may mga funds na walang front and back end. Wala pareho. Try to see if there are similar funds na walang front and back end. But if the fund that you really are looking into, either front or back, mas maganda yung back end. Bakit? Kasi yung back end, hopefully may profit ka na doon. So, the load will be taken out of your profit already. You still have profit, nabawasan lang. As compared to front, na mag-i-invest ka pa lang kinantasan ka kagad. So, yun lang yung sa akin, no? So, mas maganda yung back end. Marami kasing nadi-discourage sa back end because mas malaki usually yan. Pero sa akin, kaya yan mas malaki kasi kasama na yung profit mo. So, para sa akin, okay lang. So, yun. Sa back end.